How to connect the Tozo T6 wireless earbuds with an iPhone. This iPhone is running iOS 14 and it should work for iOS 15 and 16 as well. So assuming your T6 has some battery life, as you take them out of the charging case, they will flash in blue lights a few times, then entering into pairing mode. So pay attention to the lights that you see on your earbuds or each of the earbuds and wait for them to start flashing in blue and red alternatively. That right there. That means it's ready to pair and you can look for it in your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and connect it. However, if this doesn't work for some odd reason, what you're going to do is turn them off. And to turn them both off, you're going to long press both earbuds on the touch controls until they light up in a solid red. So go ahead and long press them together and wait for that red light to know that it's off. Like this here. Next up, in the off state, you're going to go back and long press both of them at the same time and wait for the first blue light, then release. Release it. And now you just have to be a little patient until they finish connecting to each other. You'll see them flash blue lights a few times and then enter into the pairing mode. They have to be flashing blue and red alternatively like this here. That means they're both ready to connect to your iPhone and of course in pairing mode. So with all that said and done, now on your iPhone, what you want to do is actually go into the main settings first, being that it's your first time connecting this Bluetooth device for the very first time. So go to settings, and then you'll go to the Bluetooth option right here. As you select that one time, if it's off, go ahead and turn it on. And as you turn it on, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see the Tozo T6 name show up. And when you see it, just tap on it one time, it will run the connection for you and it'll tell you that it's connected. If you want some more options, you can tap on the circle with the eye, which is the info section, where you can choose to disconnect it or simply just forget the device if ever. And that is that for this tutorial here. Like, sub, thanks for watching. You can tell if it's connected when you bring up the volume, you'll see a Bluetooth icon next to the volume just to be sure. And one more thing to be sure, look at the earbuds. If there are no blue lights flashing, that means you are fully connected and actually able to use them. So like, sub, and thanks for watching.